Retinol, a name synonymous with skincare, is more than just a beauty buzzword. It's a clinically proven compound with profound effects on skin health. But what exactly is retinol? How does it work? And why is it a game changer in dermatology? Let's break it down for healthcare professionals with evidence-based insights. Retinol is a derivative of vitamin A, belonging to a group of compounds known as retinoids. It serves as a precursor to retinoic acid, the biologically active form responsible for its therapeutic effects. Retinol is widely used in dermatology for its ability to modulate cellular turnover, improve collagen synthesis, and target hyperpigmentation. Retinol exerts its effects by binding to retinoic acid receptors, RARs, within the cell nucleus. This activates gene transcription processes that increase epidermal turnover. Retinol promotes the shedding of dead skin cells, revealing healthier layers beneath. Stimulate collagen production. It combats fine lines and wrinkles by increasing fibroblast activity. Regulate melanogenesis. Retinol reduces melanin production, addressing hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. Retinol is a cornerstone in treating several dermatological conditions, including 1. Acne vulgaris. By reducing keratinocyte plugging and inflammation, retinol is effective in managing comedonal acne. 2. Photoaging. Clinical studies show retinol reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and sunspots. 3. Hyperpigmentation. Retinol lightens melasma and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation through its melanin-modulating effects. Updated evidence highlights its role in combination therapies for rosacea, actinic keratosis, and even as an adjunct in skin cancer prevention. Despite its benefits, retinol has a few drawbacks. Adverse effects include irritation and erythema, often seen in new users, especially with higher concentrations. Photosensitivity. Patients should use broad-spectrum sunscreen daily. Peeling and dryness emollients can help mitigate these effects. Healthcare professionals should educate patients on gradual titration, starting with lower concentrations and increasing as tolerated. Retinol's efficacy is supported by robust clinical research. A 2023 study published in the Journal of Clinical Dermatology confirmed that 0.1% retinol significantly improves collagen density within 12 weeks. A meta-analysis in the British Journal of Dermatology highlights retinol's superior tolerability compared to tretinoin while maintaining efficacy. Retinol is more than a skincare staple. It's a scientifically validated tool in dermatology. By understanding its mechanisms and applications, healthcare professionals can confidently incorporate it into therapeutic regimens. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in medical dermatology. Share this with your colleagues to spread evidence-based knowledge.